Welcome to the journey of transforming an old bicycle into a brand new masterpiece. Today, we explore the power of creativity and skillful hands. A project that seems simple, yet carries so much passion and technique. You'll see how a craftsman turns old materials into something powerful. No expensive machines needed, just patience and a passion for creating. The worn-out bicycle slowly begins to take on a completely new form. Each old part is removed as if opening a new chapter for it. Every step is done slowly, precisely, and with great responsibility. That is the beauty of DIY, creating something with your own hands. And you'll be surprised by how the bike is upgraded little by little. We're not just watching a project, we're witnessing a creative story. A story that begins with a small idea but carries great power. The power to turn ordinary things into something special, the power to make old items useful once again, and the power that reminds us anyone can create something new. Today's electric tricycle is the perfect example of that. A durable, powerful build that brings joy every time it's used. But before we see the final product, let's start from the smallest details. And that meticulous care is what defines a true maker. A lifestyle that values things created by one's own hands. Follow each step closely and feel the magic of transformation.